Good morning, everybody. We just got up. You can see my roommates are over there eating breakfast. I'm a little bit late, so I gotta head over there. But we got the ski stuff all ready to go. Got my backpack all packed up. Right there. Gonna go eat some breakfast, go to the hill. So today's gonna be a good day. Today's gonna be very good. I'm just skiing and then ollieing and then skiing and then ollieing. I did way too many ollie attempts yesterday on the skateboard and my hamstrings were shot. Yawning. You want someone to ride him.
Moment. Geht du rein, Alter.
I love today and I love life. Yes. Gleb, how's it going?
Yeah, it's perfect. It's the best day in my life.
Today is fucking awesome. Today is the best day. Best of all days.
Sind die Lea nicht gut? Na, ich schicke eine Wege.
So I was just tuning skis, and you know what gives me serious stress? This thing. Good. We just finished skiing. We are relaxing right now enjoying the view, which is here.
Of course.
Bad.
Bad. Oh, thanks.
Hey, wait, I need one.
He has